Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If you're coming across our video for the first time, please do well to subscribe. In this tutorial video, we'll be making this beautiful bow scrunchie. If this is what you're interested in learning, sit back, relax, and let's get straight into the video. For this tutorial guys, we'll be making use of our scissors, our elastic rubber band, and then our tape rule, and then our fabric. Of course, you can see I'm making use of a shiny fabric. So guys, the first thing you want to do is to take out the measurement for your scrunchie, and as you can see, the wideness of my material is 22 inches while the length is 6 inches. So you go ahead and take your measurement depending on how ruffled you want it to be. Go ahead and fold your material into two and make sure you sew the edges out. So you sew it at the edge, but make sure there is space remaining for you when you want to join it in form of a circle. I hope you understand what I'm saying in this particular part, but I guess with time you get to understand. So guys, the next thing is to turn it to the outer part using your pin. As you can see, I don't have a pin here, that's why I'm making use of a nail. So you turn it out to the other part. So after turning it out guys, you go ahead and join the two parts to each other. The two parts, you have to join them together. Take it to the sewing machine and then you join them together. So guys, you've seen I've joined it together. You can see how it's looking right now. We only have a hole. The next thing to do is to insert your rubber band into it. After doing that, you sew your rubber band together in order to get the scrunchie. So guys, now it's time to cut out our bow. For this particular bow, I'll be using the length to be 7 inches, and then the wideness of it to be 10.5 inches. But this is particularly depending on how big you want your bow or how long you want your bow to be. So guys, you go ahead and cut it out from the edges. Go ahead and cut it out from the edges to the upper part of the bow. After that, you take it to the sewing machine and then just sew it, and then make sure there's a space of which you can turn it to the other part. So guys, as you can see, I'm turning it out to the outer part to get a neater version of it. So we fold it into a bow form, and then you cut out the tiny pieces that you will use to join both the ribbon and the bow. For this particular pieces, I'm using 4 inches. So you go ahead and join both the ribbon and the bow together just like the way I'm doing it right now. You want to make sure to join it at the place where you have most of your joinings so that it's going to come out very neat. So after doing that, guys, you sew it together just like the way you see I'm illustrating there. So guys, we have our beautiful bow scrunchie. If you find this video very educative and understanding, please do well to subscribe to the channel, like this video, drop a comment of the kind of DIY you love to see, drop a comment of what you feel about the tutorial. Is it easy to understand? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.